Today, we're going to learn all about pronouns. Have you ever thought, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used to take the place of a noun. The pro in pronoun is short for or in place of. So, when we use pronouns, we're replacing regular nouns with these word helpers. The pro in pronoun is like a language assistant, helping our sentences flow without repeating nouns too much. Personal pronouns refer to people such as he, she, it, we, and they. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine we have a picture of a boy named Alex. Now, the sentence is Alex reads a book. Alex reads a book. Now, let's make it more interesting by using a pronoun. Instead of saying Alex every time, we can say he reads a book. He reads a book. All right, let's explore another scenario. In this picture, we have a girl named Emily. The sentence is, Emily rides a bike. Emily rides a bike. Now, let's add some variety by using a pronoun. Instead of repeating Emily, we can say, she rides a bike. She rides a bike. Let's say you want to talk about our friends Tom and Emily without pronouns. Tom and Emily are going to the park, and Tom and Emily will play frisbee. After that, Tom and Emily will have a picnic. Pronouns can replace multiple nouns. In this case, we'll replace Tom and Emily with they. With pronouns, they are going to the park, and they will play frisbee. After that, they will have a picnic. Guess what? I and you, they're pronouns too. Isn't that true? It's like a language secret we all knew. I did this, you did that. Pronouns in play, just like that. See? Pronouns sneak into what we say, making language cool every day. Oh, that's a pronoun, and so is you. Oops, did it again. Pronouns breaking through. Now remember, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence, helping our sentences flow without repeating nouns too much. A personal pronoun is a word which can be used instead of a person, place, or a thing. There are 12 personal pronouns: I, you, he, she, me, him, her, us, them, it, we, and they. There are 3 personal pronouns for things: they, them, and it. Personal pronouns allow you to avoid repeating a word and to refer to someone already mentioned. Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to pronouns, head to twinkl.com.